Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Elite Gourmet Juicer is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly kitchen appliances you can add to your home, especially if you're looking to boost your daily intake of fresh fruits and vegetables with delicious, homemade juices. This juicer is designed to make healthy living accessible and enjoyable, transforming your favorite produce into nutrient-rich beverages in a matter of seconds, all while maintaining a compact footprint that fits perfectly on any countertop. Whether you're a seasoned juicing enthusiast or just beginning your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, the Elite Gourmet Juicer offers a compelling blend of performance, ease of use, and affordability that's hard to beat. Number 5. Elite Gourmet 1000W Electric Burner. Experience efficient and reliable cooking with its 1000W heating element. It's designed to be energy efficient and works perfectly with standard outlets, making it ideal for various settings. Achieve perfect results every time with 7 adjustable heat levels. From a gentle simmer to a rapid boil, you can easily control the temperature for all your cooking needs. The heavy-duty 6.4-inch cast iron plate ensures even heat distribution. It's compatible with all your existing cookware, so no special pots are needed. Cook with confidence thanks to its safety features. A clear power indicator light lets you know when it's on, and non-skid feet provide stability during use. Its compact footprint saves valuable counter space, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. It's an excellent solution for extra cooking needs during busy times or for small living spaces. Whether you're holiday cooking, entertaining guests, or camping, this burner is your perfect extra cooking solution. It's also great for buffet stations or as a backup when you need more stovetop space. What we like? This burner offers robust 1000W heating power with a durable cast iron plate for even heat distribution. If you need an extra cooking surface for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or RVs, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who entertain frequently or need a reliable backup for busy meal prep. What people say. The juicer is easy to assemble and operate. It extracts a good amount of juice from fruits and vegetables. The pulp collector is large and easy to clean. Number 4. Elite Gourmet EFD 319 Food Dehydrator. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrator, your solution for creating delicious, healthy snacks at home. It offers versatile drying for a variety of foods. Easily select the perfect temperature between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 158 degrees Fahrenheit for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, or jerky. A simple indicator light lets you know it's working efficiently. This dehydrator comes with 5 clear, BPA-free trays that can be stacked to accommodate different food thicknesses and batch sizes. You can easily monitor the drying process through the transparent trays. Make your own preservative-free fruit chips, veggie crisps, beef jerky, and more. You'll have complete control over ingredients while reducing waste and avoiding processed snacks. Its efficient heating system circulates warm air evenly across all trays. This ensures reliable drying that preserves natural flavors and nutrients while extending shelf life. Designed for safe home use, it features a compact design that fits easily on your counter. Plus, the removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. What we like? With 5 expandable BPA-free trays and adjustable temperature controls, this dehydrator is excellent for making healthy, homemade snacks. If you're looking to create preservative-free fruit chips, jerky, or dried herbs, this is the appliance for you. It's ideal for health-conscious individuals and families who want to control their ingredients. What people say. The juicer is easy to assemble and disassemble, making cleanup a breeze. It extracts a good amount of juice from fruits and vegetables, leaving minimal pulp. The compact design doesn't take up too much counter space. Number 3. Elite Gourmet 2 pounds Programmable Bread Maker. Enjoy delicious, bakery-quality bread with minimal effort. Its automatic kneading, rising, and baking functions make it perfect even for beginners. Whether you're cooking for one or a crowd, you can choose from 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds loaf sizes. It's designed to fit any household's needs. Explore a world of baking possibilities with 19 preset programs. From gluten-free and white bread to dough and jam, it handles it all. Start your day with the aroma of fresh bread thanks to the 15-hour delay timer. Plus, the 60-minute keep warm function ensures it's ready when you are. Save energy and avoid heating your entire kitchen. Its compact design makes it ideal for apartments, small kitchens, or even hot summer days. What we like. This bread maker boasts 19 one-touch programs, including gluten-free options, and can bake up to a 2-pound loaf. If you love waking up to freshly baked bread without the morning effort, its 15-hour delay timer is a game-changer. It's perfect for busy individuals and families who enjoy homemade bread but have limited time. What people say. Easy to assemble and operate. Juicer is powerful and extracts a good amount of juice. The pulp is dry, indicating efficient extraction. Number 2. Elite Gourmet EPB 1800A Personal Sports Blender. Introducing the Elite Gourmet EPB 1800A Personal Sports Blender. It's your perfect companion for creating healthy and delicious drinks like smoothies and protein shakes. Beyond drinks, this powerful 300-watt blender can chop nuts, grate cheese, and grind coffee beans. It handles all your blending and mixing needs with ease. Cleanup is a breeze with this blender. The reusable cups are dishwasher safe, making post-blending chores quick and simple. Enjoy fast and easy shakes anytime, anywhere. It's designed for your active lifestyle, providing convenience without compromise. This versatile appliance can even help with kitchen prep, like chopping onions without tears. Experience the convenience it brings to your daily routine. What we like. This personal blender features a powerful 300-watt motor and comes with 16-ounce cups for single servings. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make smoothies, protein shakes, or even chop nuts and grind coffee, this is a great option. It's ideal for individuals who want convenient, on-the-go beverages and simple cleanup. What people say. This juicer is very easy to assemble and use. It is also very easy to clean, which is a big plus. The juicer is powerful and extracts a lot of juice from fruits and vegetables. Number 1. TUUMIIST Juicer Machines Cold Press Juicer. Experience the benefits of efficient juicing. Our 300-watt machine uses slow-speed cold press technology to extract a high yield of vitamins, nutrients, and juice, maximizing your intake. This juicer features a simple, one-piece design that's easy to assemble and clean. With the included brush, you can have it fresh and ready for your next use in just 5 minutes. Mimicking handheld squeezing at just 55 revolutions per minute, our unique technology preserves the natural state of your juice. Enjoy high-quality, long-lasting freshness and nutrients. Your safety and health are paramount. The feed chute is designed for secure operation, and it's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your juice is free from harmful chemicals. Save valuable preparation time with the 5.8-inch extra-large feed chute. It accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, eliminating the need for pre-cutting. To ensure optimal performance, proper assembly is key. Keep the cover open and turn the hopper clockwise until the guide mark aligns with the lock symbol on the chamber. What we like. This cold press juicer utilizes slow-speed technology for a high juice yield, preserving nutrients and flavor. If you prioritize maximizing your intake of vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables, this juicer is an excellent choice. Its extra-large feed chute also means less prep time, making it perfect for busy health enthusiasts. What people say. This juicer is very easy to assemble and use. It extracts a good amount of juice from fruits and vegetables. The wide chute makes it easy to feed produce without much pre-cutting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.